Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix your iPhone is security lockout or unavailable, then how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the workarounds. And before getting to this, you wanted to make sure that it should be connected to the Wi-Fi or internet, or else you'll be not be having the erase iPhone option at the bottom. So this is very important. So it should be connected to the Wi-Fi, or else erase iPhone will not be available there. So we're going to talk about how we can fix this up. So the first thing what you have to do is just follow the instruction. That what you have to do is you just have to, at the bottom there is erase iPhone, you just have to click on this one. Now you have to click on erase iPhone once again. Now give the respective password of your Apple ID. Once it is done, just tap on go icon. Keep waiting. So guys, once it is done, you'll be getting an option like this, which is like the basic steps where you can set this up. Like you can give all the details, like you can set the language, and also you can set the country and all those things. And this is how you can fix when your iPhone is security lockout or unavailable. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.